Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class we already discussed about the union of two sets. Okay. So next we will discuss intersection of two sets. Intersection of sets. Okay. So intersection of sets. So what is the definition of the intersection of sets? See, the intersection of two sets A and B. The intersection of two sets A and B is a set of all those elements. The set of all those elements which belongs to both A and B. Which belongs to both A and B. Symbolically, we write A intersection B. A intersection. So this is a symbol. Intersection. Ulta U badre. So this is intersection symbol. This is union symbol. This is a union symbol. This is the intersection symbol. Intersection symbol. Okay na? So intersection A intersection B. A is a set, B is a set. A intersection B is equals to X is that X belongs to A, X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Okay na? X belongs to A, X belongs to B. So therefore A intersection B is equals to X is that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. So here and represents and either so both compulsory. Okay. So on that time only it will be included in that set. Okay. So let us take one example. The example is a clear. Let us take one example. A is equals to set A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equals to 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. So therefore A intersection B is equals to A intersection B is equals to. So here what is the common element C? So 3, 4 here also 3, 4 is there now. So that's why. So 3, 4 is the 3, 4 is the answer. So A intersection B. A intersection B means what? So common element to both and include common element. The intersection of two sets A and B is a set of all those elements which belongs to both A and B. And means both elements. Common element. R means either. So A union B. What is the result of A union B? What is the result of A union B? These two things. Combining R. Combined. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the answer for A union B. But in this case, A intersection B means common element. Compulsory. So that element only include. Okay. So answer elements include. The concept. So this is the intersection of the sets. Intersection of the sets. Okay. Let us discuss the Venn diagram. How it will be done. Venn diagram. So by observing only, we can easily clarify the doubts. Venn diagram. So this is the Venn diagram. I am not shaded still. Okay, see I will state. See this is set A, this is set B, this is set B, this is set A, and this is the universal set. Okay, and so A union B already done now. Venn diagram. So A union B all shape all A in B shape. But A intersection B not like that. Okay, only common part like this. This common part only. Shading. Okay, this is shading. Understood? So this part is shading. Understood? This is called this shaded part. This shaded part is known as A intersection B. By observing only we can easily clear that. Note the common point. Here also that is right. So like that, my dear students, you have to observe the intersection of the sets. Okay. So this is example and this is the definition. This is the Venn diagram. So we will discuss some properties. Okay. See, my dear students, first have to observe before going to know the properties. First some examples. Example 50. See, A matrix is given. A set is given. A is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8. A set is given 2, 4, 6, 8 and B set is given 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. Find A intersection B. A intersection B find it out. So A intersection B is equals to answer. So A intersection B is equals to A intersection B is equals to, okay. So intersection means what? Common element to both A and B. A, B ಗೆ common element ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇಲ್ಲ 2, 4 are there. 6 is there. See, 6 and 6. Write down 6. Okay. 8 is there. 8 is there. Right? 8 is. Okay. 10, 12 not there. Don't write. So leave. This is the answer. Very easy. So my dear students. Okay. See. Next problem. Example 16. If x is equals to, already told this problem, but they had to find x intersection. X is equals to Ram, Geeta, Akbar. Ram, Geeta, Akbar. And y set so Geeta, David, Ashok. Okay. So like that A, x and y sets are given. Had to find out the x intersection y. X intersection y is equals to. Okay. Ram is there? No, not there. Don't write. Okay. Common element. You have to search the common element. Okay. So Geeta is there. See, Geeta. Okay. Come on. Akbar is there? No. Ashok not there. David not there. So leave it. This is the only answer. So this is the x intersection y. So artha aithe ivaga. So what is the meaning of intersection? Okay. So intersection means ಎರಡರೊಳಗೂ ಇರಬೇಕು common element. Common element ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So therefore we can write like this. This is the answer for the x intersection y. Okay. See next question. Question number example 17. Example 17. Okay. Let A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and B set has given 2, 3. See. Next example 17. Let A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and B is equals to 2, 3, 5, 7. Find A intersection B first. Okay. And show that A intersection B is equals to B. First we have to find out A intersection B, later we can find out. Okay. Answer. A intersection B. A intersection B is equals to what? So common to both A and B. A ಗೂ B ಗೂ common ಆಗಿರೋದು ಏನು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. 2 is there, 2 is there. 3 is there, 3 right out. 5 is there, 5, 7. Okay na? So 2, 3, 5, 7 is there in A also. 1 is not there, 4 is not there, 6 is not there, 8, 9, 10 is not there. That's why this is the answer, A intersection B. So here A intersection B is nothing but what? See, if you observe this one, 2, 3, 5, 7 is what? B set. See, B set is not. So is equals to B set. So therefore A intersection B is equals to B. Already. Okay na? So like that you have to show that. So this is the condition. So here I will tell one condition for you. Illa nanu one condition ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. What is that condition means? If you observe this one, B is the subset of A. ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? B is the subset of A. ಅಂದ್ರೆ all elements in B contains in A. B ಒಳಗಿರೋವೆಲ್ಲ A ಒಳಗಿದೆ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ? So therefore in this case if A intersection B ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ small set answer ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So for suppose A subset B ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A subset B A intersection B is equals to what? A ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, C subset D ಆಗಿದೆ. C subset D. So C intersection D is what? C. Understood or not? This is one of the CET concept. Okay, you have to learn this also. So this is example 17. Okay, next we will move to the probabilities. And next properties, disjoint sets. Okay, next disjoint sets. See my dear students, next we will move to the very important concept, very important for 2 marks or 1 mark question. Sure they will ask for main examination. Very important. Disjoint sets. Disjoint. So the word itself tells disjoint. Joint means join ಮಾಡೋದು. Disjoint. ಎರಡು join ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. That is simple logic. Okay. So you have to learn like this. The concepts will be very easy. Okay. If A and B are two sets, such that A intersection B is equals to 5, then A and B are called disjoint sets. Okay, this condition is very important. Okay, when we can tell the two sets are disjoint sets, if A intersection B is equals to 5, A intersection B is equals to 5. 5 means what? Empty set now. Empty set ಅಂದ್ರೆ common element exist ಆಗಬಾರದು. So tell me sir any one example. Let's see. This is one example. Okay, A is equals to 2 4 6 8, B is equals to 1 3 5 7. Okay, if we observe this one, calculate A intersection B. Calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 is not there, 4 is not there, 6 is not there, 8 is not there. There is no common element to A and B. There is no common element between A and B. Okay, A ಗೂ B ಗೂ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ common element ಇಲ್ಲ. So therefore there is no element exist. No element exist. ಯಾವ element exist ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So if not exist means what is the result? So that is empty set pi. Understood or not? Like that. Then we can tell that these A and B are called disjoint sets. ಅರ್ಥ ಇದೆಯಾ? Disjoint sets ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಇದೆಯಾ? So disjoint set means what is the condition? Another time, this one very important. A intersection B is equals to what? Pi. So if you ask disjoint set means condition A intersection B is equals to pi. You have to remember. Okay. Next, by observing only we can easily clear what is disjoint. Okay. That's why we are writing one Venn diagram for this one. Okay. One Venn diagram of the note. So Venn diagram. Okay. I will write one Venn diagram. This is a universal set. Okay, this is universal set. Okay, next this is A, this is B, A and this is B. Okay, na? So this is called A intersection B. No, so here in this case there is no element, no common element exist agala. That's why I have to write like this. Ee tara baraytini now. See, this is set A and this is set B. See, illella idagta ide ನೋಡಿ, common element is there. ಅವಾಗ ಬರದ common element ಬಂತ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ common element ಇದೆ, ಇದೇ separate. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ನೀನೊಂದು ತೀರ ನಾನೊಂದು ತೀರ ಅಂತ ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಬೋತ್. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಸರ್ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ disjoint set ಸರ್, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಡಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಡಿಸ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್. disjoint set means what is the condition, my dear students? A intersection B is equals to pi. Okay na? So if you prove this condition means it will automatically it will become a disjoint set. Okay, disjoint sets. Let us take some now properties. Okay, see my dear students, these are the properties of intersection of the sets. Okay, see this is property number 1. So A intersection B is equals to B intersection A. A intersection B is equals to B intersection C. So this is which property it is? It is a property of commutative property. Commutative property union nodudha commutative. Two sets means commutative. This is associative. So A intersection B intersection C is equals to A intersection B intersection C. So A intersection B bracket B intersection C bracket. So A intersection B intersection C is equals to A intersection B intersection C. So this is the associative property or associative law. Okay, this is commutative law. Okay, this is associative. Next we will move to the third one. Pi intersection A. Pi means what? Empty set. Pi means what? Empty set. So empty set na A any set intersection ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Already told pi is subset to A. That's why small set pi A ಬರುತ್ತೆ. pi ಅಂದ್ರೆ empty set. empty set ಗೆ A intersection ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ so there is no common element ಬರಲ್ಲ. So therefore pi. Okay na? Next U intersection A. U means what? Universal set. ಎಲ್ಲ sets ಬರುತ್ತೆ universal set. So that is one of the set in universal set is A. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಇವೆರಡು ಮಧ್ಯ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎ. ಸೊ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಸೊ this property is called property of pi and u ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಆಫ್ pi and law of pi and u ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Otherwise law of pi and u, otherwise property of pi and u. Okay, next this is idempotent law, already told in union also. A union A is equals to A. Same property. A intersection A is equals to A. A intersection A is equals to A. A intersection A is equals to A. A union A is equals to A. So idempotent law. This property is idempotent. Next we will move to the distributive law. This is the distributive law. See, A intersection B union C. A intersection B union C is equals to A intersection B. A intersection B. A intersection B union A intersection C. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಐಟೆನ್ಸಿ. A intersection B. A intersection B. A intersection C. Intersection. So union is there, right down in middle union. Like that you have to understand. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆ ಥರ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಓಕೆ, A intersection B, A intersection C, in middle union. Understood? So this is one of the distributive law. Another distributive law is there. Okay, so I will tell some Venn diagram related to this distributive law. Okay, Venn diagram ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಏನದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದಟ್. ಸಿ ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಸಿ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, these are the some Venn diagrams in order to prove that A intersection B union C is equals to A intersection B, okay, A intersection B union A intersection C. So this one okay. See my dear students, if you observe A intersection B union C is there. Now first you have to calculate B union C. So A, B, C, these are the A, B, C. Okay, B union C means what? Combine all. B, C na ಎಲ್ಲ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. B, C ಎಲ್ಲ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. A ಮಾತ್ರ B, C ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೋಡಿ see. Next A intersection B. A intersection B is what? See this one A, this is B. A intersection B is common element. Already told no. So this part already shaded. Okay, this part A intersection. Okay, so B union C, A intersection B is go. Next A intersection B union C. A intersection A is there. This one A. This is A. Okay, this is A. Intersection B union C. B union C is what? This one C. B union C A. So A ಗೂ B union C ಗೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. A ಗೂ B union C ಗೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ? A ಗೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ therefore this part is the answer. Understood? Like that we have to analyze. Okay, so this is A, see, this is A, and this is B union C, shaded part. Okay, so ಎರಡು ಕಾಮನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So common element already shaded here. Really shaded. Next we will move to the RHS. RHS is what? A intersection B union A intersection C. Okay na? So A intersection B already calculated. See, A intersection B already calculated. A intersection C. A intersection C means A. This is C. A intersection C. Okay. So see once again A intersection C. Now so write down this one. Once again. See, this is A intersection C. This is the common part C. This is the A intersection C. Okay, A intersection C. A to C common. So this is A intersection C. This is A intersection C. This is A intersection C. ಎರಡು ಕಾಮನ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? ಕಾಮನ್. ಸೊ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಯೂನಿಯನ್. ಕಾಮನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್, ಯೂನಿಯನ್. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ therefore this part and this part already. Understood? Common union you have to do the ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Understood or not? Like that if you observe these two things, ಇವೆರಡು ನೋಡಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಇದು if you observe these two things, both are same. Okay, by observing only in Venn diagrams itself you can prove. Venn diagrams ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಇದು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಲಾನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Okay, so my dear students, if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubt please comment in this below video. Thank you.